Today we're going to make lime bloopers. Today we're gonna make lemon lime bitters, which is a signature drink in Melbourne. Okay, so which one is the first one? This one? Okay. Okay, so I'll put. This is the first time I'm making this, so I'm not sure.
That's heaps! Wait. That's enough for about 6 lemon lime bitters. You'll have to tip some into another glass. You won't be able to drink that.
Really?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. So just get another glass.
We're gonna make 2.
Maybe even 3. Just
Really?
less than set. Stop. Yeah, okay. 2.
And then this is the bitter, okay?
Yeah, but you put lemonade in first.
Really?
Yeah. So half a glass, remember? You fill up half the glass with the lemonade. Stop.
It's not even half a glass.
And then you put in the bitters.
I gotta be careful with this one.
Yeah, don't spill on the table, it'll stain. Shake it a little bit. More.
That's it?
No, about 3 times that much. Keep going. Yeah.
And then, that's it?
And then you put the rest of the lemonade in.
I don't remember.
And this will stir it. Yeah, see how it's all mushing together?
That's it?
You can fill it up.
Really?
Yeah, stop. There you go. And it's not alcoholic, which is quite surprising.
Tastes bitter.
Really? I wonder why they call it lemon lime bitters then.
No, it's like... Okay, let me try yours. This is made by Erin. Yeah, yours is stronger.
Stronger?
Yeah,
Stronger bitters or stronger lime?
that's fine. Yours has stronger bitter, I think.
Yeah,
whatever.
maybe. Put them together and see the... Oh, the colour's about the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.